Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a flower out of some of the burlap ribbon. So you'll need burlap that is attached on both sides and has the weave in the center of the vertical and the horizontal lines. I found this one at Hobby Lobby, but I saw it today also at Walmart, and they come in different colors. So you'll need to cut a strip as long as you like. Then you're going to start pulling the horizontal pieces of burlap out, as you can see I'm doing here. So the ones that go side to side, not top to bottom. So as you can see, they pull out really, really easy, and I just have my hand on the other side lightly just to hold it. And you just continually pull them out. And some of your other pieces, you know, the ones that run the other way will come out, but that's okay. You can let them come out and just pull them out of your way. As you can see, we're stripping the center of all of those. So just keep pulling them all out. And this part looks tedious because it kind of is, but it goes really fast once you get the hang of it. And these little pieces that you can keep them after and put them in like in a sandwich bag, they'd make great little ties for bows or embellishments and stuff. Okay, so once you have them all pulled out, make sure that they're all pulled out. Pull off all the ends that keep falling off, all the top to bottom weave ones. They'll keep falling out, you know, until you get it, till they stop falling out. Then you're going to trim your ends so that they're nice and even. And this is what it will look like. So you have those two edge pieces that are basically holding everything together. So you're going to get your glue gun, and you're going to want some finger protectors. And then you're going to just start gluing one side to the other. And the start of this is a little rocky to get it all to start laying flat. But once you get going, it will start to kind of form itself and lay down well for you. And you're going to do that for the whole strip. Now you can see it's staying folded over for me now. And just work in little bits. You don't want to try doing it all at once because you want it to come out as straight as possible. And now it's all glued together. So it basically looks like kind of a looped fringe. Then you're just going to start rolling it into itself. So you're going to roll. And then roll it over. Put some glue. Roll it over. And just hold pressure while you're doing it to make sure that the glue stays stuck and that it's drying as you're going. And you're going to do this for the whole strip. Just keep rolling and gluing, rolling and gluing, rolling and gluing. And I saw this they had teal green, they had red, they had orange, they had blue, like an off-white color. So I think I'm going to go back tomorrow and get a couple of different colors and try out some flowers of other colors. I think these would look really pretty in red, and then the off-white would look really pretty. And just keep rolling until you get to the end. And then you're just going to have this kind of like wad at the end. And then you're going to flip it over. And you're just going to pull it apart little by little, kind of finding your center. Just do it lightly. You move around some of the loops. Press it down so that it's not sticking up so much. And look how stinking cute that is. I absolutely love these. They're so pretty. Now you could use like a little pearl in the center if you wanted to. That looks super pretty. You could use a button in the center. I found this gold button, and I had this like diamond button. Isn't that super cute? And then I found a gold one. I tried that. But I really liked the diamond one. I thought it looked really cute, so that's the one I ended up using. But you can use whatever you have on hand, whatever embellishments. You could use a half bead. You could use regular beads. You can make this all your own, and depending on what color burlap you're using, you could make several different kinds of flowers. I just thought this was a super cute project, and I wanted to share it with you guys. And I'm sure that I'll have a project that will use one of these in. So if you have any burlap, get to making some pretty flowers. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to sprinkle.